Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out your car was totaled, or getting hit with a hospital bill worth thousands of dollars. Or worse, something happens and your family is suddenly left struggling financially. Now ask yourself this: could you afford it? For millions of Americans, one unexpected event can create serious financial hardship. And that's exactly why insurance exists. Insurance is one of the most important financial protections you can have in the United States. It's a legal agreement between you and an insurance company. You pay a monthly or yearly premium, and in return, the insurer helps cover major financial losses when unexpected events happen. That could mean a car accident, a medical emergency, property damage, theft, or even loss of income. Simply put, insurance protects your money when life takes an unexpected turn. And in America, where healthcare and repairs can cost thousands, that protection is critical. So what are the real benefits of having insurance? First, financial protection. This is the biggest reason people buy insurance. It helps cover massive expenses that could otherwise drain your savings. If you're in a car accident, auto insurance can help pay for repairs, medical bills, and liability costs. If you're hospitalized, health insurance can reduce what could be overwhelming medical expenses. Without coverage, even one emergency can become financially devastating. Second, peace of mind. There's real value in knowing you're protected. Insurance allows individuals and families to live with confidence, knowing they have support when the unexpected happens. It removes uncertainty, and that peace of mind is priceless. Third, it's often required by law. In the United States, certain insurance coverage isn't optional. For example, most states legally require drivers to carry auto insurance. Driving without it can lead to heavy fines, license suspension, or serious legal consequences. Fourth, it protects your family. Life insurance provides financial security for the people who depend on you. If something unexpected happens, it can help cover living expenses, mortgage payments, and future needs. Fifth, access to affordable healthcare. Healthcare in the US is expensive. A single hospital visit can cost thousands. Health insurance helps cover doctor visits, emergency care, and medications. Without it, treatment is a financial burden. So what types are common? Auto, health, homeowners, life, and business insurance. Why is it essential? Because life is unpredictable. Accidents, illnesses, and natural disasters happen. Insurance acts as your financial safety net, helping you recover without losing everything. At the end of the day, insurance is more than just a bill. It's security, protection, and peace of mind. In the US, having the right coverage is a smart decision. It could be the most important financial choice you ever make.